Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, February 12th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I'm pretty happy about today, and I'll tell you why. You know, we actually closed out negative just slightly over $13,000 today. Now, you might think I shouldn't be very happy about that, but actually, that's better than I thought we might do yesterday. We had negative 15,000, over 15,000 yesterday in open trade equity, and I was looking at this and thinking, you know, if this thing tanks, this could easily go to negative 30,000. Well, it did. We got out with negative 13,000, so not only did it not get worse from where we were yesterday, it got just a little bit better, and that's out of the way. What I am and keep in mind that we had made over $15,000 the previous day, so you know we got out of this mess, actually made a little money in it, so that's pretty good. What happened today I'm very pleased with. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 110 points, and usually I cheer when the Dow goes down rather than up. But the reason I'm kind of cheering today is you can see here we have a close above the red line. It has been weeks since the Dow closed above my red line. So I'm looking at this, and you can also see over here it took out the highs from about 4 days ago. So it's really moving into some new territory. We are only about 25 points from hitting that 18,000 mark again. It has been up there before, but it wasn't up there very long. And I'm looking at this and saying, hey, if we could add about 100 points to this, I am going to declare this red line no longer the ceiling, but the new floor. So that is what I'm really hoping for. I don't want it coming back down here and going below this, because then we're just going to be dealing with the ceiling again. I hope it keeps going. Hopefully tomorrow. Hey, my dream scenario is tomorrow it opens down, it comes down to the red line, and then bounces wildly and goes topside. That's what I'd really like to see. Hey, the Dow doesn't do what I really like to see, but that is my hope. The other reason that I'm optimistic about today is that we got into 15 new positions, and 10 of them are positive. I mean, you know, the stuff we got into looked really good. I mean, you know, it's not spectacular. We have about over $5,000 in open trade equity. I mean, that's no big deal. But 5 out of 15 positions, 10 are positive, only 5 are negative. That has a good feel to it. So that's another reason why I'm saying, hey, maybe this red line's going to be the floor, because usually when we're having trouble, you know, that's a good indicator that there's about a lot of sellers in the market, profit takers and so on. Didn't have that feel today. I had the feeling that nobody, or not many people, were really willing to sell today. So that's my little dose of optimism on the overall market. Let me show you a couple of the trades today. I'm going to show you, this is one of the scariest ones I've seen in a long time. And you know, this is why I trade a mechanical system. This is TRIP, T-R-I-P, TRIP Advisors. I'm going to tell you, without a mechanical system, this thing gaps up like this. This is like a 20 to 25% gap. There's just no way in hell I could buy up here if I didn't have a system telling me to. This is just a huge gap, and we jumped into it just as soon as we can, and we end up even though this thing pulled back a little after the highs here, we're still holding close to $3,000 in TripAdvisors. So that looks real good. And I think because this is such a scary place to buy, that's why it is profitable for us. Very happy with that trade. And I'll show you another one that went really well for us today. This is DL, which is China Distance Education Holdings. That's a mouthful. We've been trading this for a while now. It's a very volatile stock, and yet it's done pretty well for us. And it had a little pop up here. We jumped in as soon as we could. It just kept going. This thing is closing pretty close to the high, and we are holding again close to $3,000 in China Distance Education Holdings. So that trade looks real good too. So Trader Bob is happy, and I am looking forward to tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.